On a cruise ship, you have two ways to come onto an island or a port. One is with a pilot boat, and one is you stay out in the ocean and you are met by tenders, which are small boats that will bring you into shore. Most of the time, you are met out in the ocean by a small pilot boat. The pilot that will be guiding your ship will jump from the pilot boat to your ship, come on board, and take over the captain's place. Because that pilot is very knowledgeable about the currents and the winds and the water in that area and can safely guide your cruise ship to port. Now, pilot boats are specially marked to make it clear what their function is. During the day, they may fly H flag, and normally the word pilot is written in clearly visible letters on the sides of that boat. At night, they have special navigation lights. Pilot boats often use bright colors like flashy yellow to make them clearly visible and distinctive in even the worst conditions. I have been told that the pilot can either take over the whole command of the ship, or in a lot of cases they just make suggestions to the captain of the ship, and then he tells the men to obey those orders, or he repeats that order. But they are very knowledgeable, and their work is very dangerous because no matter what the weather is, they have to meet that incoming ship and guide it into port. And my understanding is they are paid a very high salary for that skill. And these are the pilot boats that we had coming into San Juan. And obviously they did a good job because we got to leave again. And when we leave, they're with us. And then a couple miles out to sea, the pilot boat picks up the pilot and they're on to the next ship.